ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯದೇವಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಅನ್ನವರಂ ಶ್ರೀ ವೀರ ವೆಂಕಟ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿನೇ ನಮಃ. This is a really outstanding temple across the world. A reason Swamivaru, Trishakti, we can say Trimurtulu, Vishnu, Ishvara, Brahma, Muguru. Together they have been established over here with wonderful Bhaktocharanas, Vishnumurti, Brahma as well as Shiva. Generally we are going to worship separately Shaivalayas, Vaishnavalaya and Amavaru. But here we can see together Shiva as well as Vishnumurti along with Amavaru will get pujas over here. That is a speciality of Satya Deva. Swamivaru has been giving darshan as a Satyanarayana Swami. Annavaram Veera Venkata Satyanarayana Swami on Ratnagiri Hill. That the speciality of this wonderful temple, in number of bhaktas will come and perform their kratus without any disturbances. Sri Harihara Hiranyagarbha Trimurtaka Parameshwara Swarupa Sri Bhagavad Mahalakshmi Sameta Sri Veera Venkata Satyanarayana Swami. Yeah, this is really a great temple located near Rajamundry, East Godavari district. You hear from morning onwards until the last day of the temple, we can meet the Satyanarayana Swami Rathotsavas. It is the speciality of this wonderful temple that you come and join with your family and get darshan. Always your family will get outstanding blessings. Om Sri Satyanarayana Swami Namaha. Govinda Govinda. Hara Hara Mahadeva Shambho Shankara. Om Sri Matre Namaha Mahadeve Namaha. Om Sri Vishnu Rupaya. Yes. Here we can see a great, what we can say, Sri Chakram. Sri Chakram is there. So the bottom of the Sri Chakram is Brahma. Middle of the Sri Chakram is Parameshwara. Top of the Sri Chakram is Vishnu Sarupaya Satyanarayana Swami. So here all bhaktas will get outstanding blessings of Swami Varu. Yeah, it's really marvelous. So this is Annapurne, Sudhapurne, Shankara Pranavallabhe, Jnana Vairagya Siddhardam, Pikshandhi Chaparvati. This is really a marvelous time. My family came over here. I completed great Swami Vari's Vratam. With outstanding way, early hours, we have got such kind of blessings from Swami Varu. Om Sri Satyanarayana Swamine Namaha. Hara Hara Mahadeva. Oh, Govinda.